one envelope, 2 boxes. And the first thing is, let me see, what is this? Oh, figurines. So there is a top hat and a conductor. And the second box, we have a car, wagon, boxcar, another car, yellow truck, Thomas, the tank engine, 2009. We'll check in a minute if they work. Let's see, roughing. Oh, look at this, beautiful. A flip face talking James. This one, it looks in really good condition. I'm gonna put some batteries in a minute, and we have one Percy from Mattel, really clean. Wow, amazing. Oh, look at that. So we have two. One is 2 Harolds. Yeah, I think. Oh, look at the blades, twisted blades. And we have a milk tanker, a Spencer standard, very clean. Unfortunately, there is no Spencer. And a flip core cargo. Look, really nice. What else? What do you call this thing? Side open car or whatever. So nice. Next box. Oh, there's some engines. Let me remove the packing. So there, we remove the packing. Oh, come on, stop with the... Oh, look at this, welfare station. It does have a switch. Does it light up or something? Huh. I'm gonna put some batteries on this. And we have Talking Victor.
Buenos dias, my friends.
Noisy, but it's working. Ah, excellent. So that's Talking Victor. And we have one Thomas. Beautiful, kind of quiet, is for the edge. Okay, I need this for Timothy the Ghost engines, working good. Now we have Talking Fling. Noisy Talking Fling. I already show you how to fix it. I'm gonna try to do some videos soon, but it's working. At least Talking Fling is working. And there is this James. Nice, it is working. Excellent. 2009 James. Good find. Now we have Fling from Trackmaster Revolutions. I think the batteries are dead, or there is no batteries in it. I have no idea. And another Thomas. Yep, it's working. Good, excellent. So there is the Tomas. Now, did I put the Talking James already? I don't know. And it's working. I think all these engines are noisy, but anyways, they... Oh, too slow. Need new batteries. But I can tell there is some gears that need to be replaced. So we have Talking Toby, Talking James, Talking Victor, and Talking Fling. One James with no tender. And there is this Fling that I need to put some batteries on this. So 2 Thomas, they're working. So this will be fixed soon. Now let me show you guys. We just put batteries on this Thomas from the first box. And Thomas is working. It's missing the call, but at least it's noisy. I think the sound is from the motor. It's not the gear. Yeah, it needs a new motor. Soon it's going to be kind. You know what? This one is also the one I use for the Halloween engine. I'm gonna start making some of those engines ready for Halloween. Now, Percy, the one in the first box. This one is from the first box too, and flip face James. And look at this Talking flip face James. Wow, it's in a really good condition. It's not noisy. And look at this. Ready?
These spare parts will be good for repairing Hero. I'm James. I'm a splendid red engine. Spare parts are dirty, but I don't mind. It's important to help friends.
It's really good. I'm not gonna do anything on this. This one, I mean, it's not ready on my on my site. Remember, until I upload the video that is ready for sale. I'm just checking, unboxing this. So the stickers are really decent. This side, it's okay. Just a little tear on the sides. I mean, on the edges of the sticker, and there is a little bit here. I think it's plastic. Oh no, it's dirt. It's gone. Excellent. So this, look, the coupling is not broken, neither the wires. So everything is working perfectly. So I'm gonna put the switch to the try me, so you can try it. Oh, that's excellent. Awesome. So now we have Flint from Trackmaster 2 from the second box, and it's working really nice. So excellent. You know what? I'm gonna open this as this little figurines, the Topham hat and the conductor. Is that the conductor? Yes. I think I got it. It needs a little touch up. It does have some dings everywhere. So the good find today is this model.
I'm James. I'm a splendid red engine. Mind my paintwork.
Flip face talking James. So we put new batteries. The problem was there was corrosion in here. It used these little button battery cells. And look at this. Awesome. Now you got it changes different. Different sounds, different phrases. So I don't know where this comes on. Does it come with a wooden railway? Let me know, guys, because I have never seen one of these. Maybe seen it on Take and Play, but I never bought it because my main deal or buy and sell items, it's Trackmasters, and sometimes they come on lots like this. So I had no idea that this made some sounds. Nice.